Today we will discuss First in India 70 plus general knowledge questions. So let's start. Subscribe our Super GK Tricks channel and press the bell icon for our latest updates. First atomic device exploded in India at Pokhran in Rajasthan. First British Governor General in India, Warren Hastings. Who was the first and the last Governor General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. First Chief Election Commissioner of India, Sukumar Sen. First Chief Justice of India, Hiralal J. Kania. First Chief of Air Staff of India, Subroto Mukherjee. First Chief of Army Staff of India, General M. Rajendra Singh. First Chief of Naval Staff of India, Vice Admiral R. D. Katari. First Commander-in-Chief in Free India, General K. M. Cariappa. First complete digital state in India, Kerala. First dam in India, Kallanai Dam. First Defence Minister of India, Baldev Singh. First Deputy Prime Minister in India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. First DNA typing forensic laboratory set up at Kolkata. First electric train started between Ludhiana and New Delhi. First Emperor of Mughal Dynasty in India, Babur. First ever female railway driver in India, Surekha Yadav. First woman to win an Asian Gold, Kamaljeet Sandhu. First female governor of an Indian state, Sarojini Naidu. First female officer in Indian Army, Priya Jhingan. First female traveler of India, Kalpana Chawla. First Indian cosmonaut, Rakesh Sharma. First Indian to go to space, Rakesh Sharma in 1984. First Indian Grandmaster in chess, Vishwanathan. First Indian ICS officer, Satyendranath Tagore. First Indian man to swim across the English Channel, Mihir Sen. First Indian pilot, J.R.D. Tata. First Indian silent film, Raja Harishchandra. First Indian to get Oscar, Bhanu Athaiya. First Indian to have won the Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian to reach Antarctica. Lieutenant Ramcharan. First Indian to win Miss Universe title. Sushmita Sen. First Indian triple century maker in Test cricket. Virendra Sehwag. First Indian woman Congress president. Sarojini Naidu. First Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal. First Indian woman to reach the South Pole. Reena Kaushal. First woman to win a medal in Olympic boxing. Mary Kom. First Indian woman to win a badminton Grand Prix. Saina Nehwal. First Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Karnam Malleswari. First satellite in India. Aryabhat. First indigenously designed and built missile in India. Prithvi. First Lady Judge of Supreme Court of India. Fatima Bibi. First large-scale nuclear reactor in India. Apsara. First linguistic state in India. Andhra Pradesh. First Magsaysay Award winner in India. Vinoba Bhave in 1958. Who was the first Indian man to climb the Mount Everest? Avtar Singh Chima. First musician to be awarded the Bharat Ratna. M.S. Subbulakshmi. First Muslim woman to sit on the throne of Delhi. Razia Sultan. First Nishan-e-Pakistan Award winner. Morarji Desai in 1990. First Nobel Prize winner in literature. Rabindranath Tagore. First Nobel Prize winner in physics. Sir C.V. Raman in 1930. First Paramveer Chakra Award winner. Major Somnath Sharma. First passenger train between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. First post office opened in India. Kolkata. First President of India. Rajendra Prasad. First President of Indian National Congress. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. First President to die in office. Dr. Zakir Hussain. First Prime Minister of India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister to resign from office. Morarji Desai, first Science City was inaugurated in Kolkata. First South Indian Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. First Speaker of Lok Sabha G.V. Mavalankar. First talkie film in India Alamara. First test tube baby in India Indira. First twice Oscar award winner in India A.R. Rahman. First woman to win Nobel Peace Prize Mother Teresa. First woman president in India Pratibha Patil. First woman Chief Minister of Indian State Sucheta Kripalni. First woman governor in India Sarojini Naidu. First woman IPS officer in India Kiran Bedi. First woman judge of Delhi High Court Leela Seth. First woman president of Indian National Congress Annie Besant. First woman president of UN General Assembly Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. First woman prime minister in India Indira Gandhi. First woman railway minister Mamta Banerjee. First woman speaker in Lok Sabha Meera Kumar. First woman speaker of a state assembly Shanno Devi. First woman to become Miss World Rita Faria.